Hi, I'm Jake
And I'm Lauren.
from Seven Birds, One Stone.
And this is our video update.
Let you guys know what's going on with the band and everything.
First off, we've been writing our little butts off for you guys, and we have 3 or 4 new songs coming your way.
Yeah, just for you. Just for you.
My hips are cold, where your hands used to lie.
We just placed an order for shirts. We're about to get new shirts in.
Woohoo!
So, yeah, no, you guys can come and come to one of our shows and pick up a shirt. They're pretty snazzy looking. Once we get them, probably in like a week or so, we'll put them online so everyone can see what they look like.
Gonna feed your ego and your appetite. I hope he hits it right every night. Just like I love, baby fell in love. My 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 baby fell in love.
We have a show on February 3rd with Prussia. Shout out to Prussia.
Russia!
We're really excited to play with them. We hope a lot of you guys can make it. They're a really great band, and we're really excited to be singing with them.
Yeah, we go on at 8 o'clock, I would say.
We go on at 8 o'clock.
We go on at 8 o'clock, so get there early.
You killed the love, so quick to run.
As you know, we finally got our 3-song demo out.
The Tea Party demo.
The Tea Party demo.
The Tea Party
it's
demo.
a really cool CD. We have our 3 first songs that we recorded. We're really pumped about you guys hearing them and giving us feedback. You can get them from any of us. You can get them at our shows if you come, or if you ask any of us, we'll give you guys one for free.
Free music.
For free.
You can download it. You can burn it on a CD, hand it out. Pirate that shit.
We really want to express our appreciation for everybody that's been coming out to support us, our family, our friends, strangers. Every smiling face that we see in the crowd makes us sing that much better.
You really do. It's true. It's so important to us, and it means so much to us to be able to see everybody who comes out and checks us out, just to see you dance. I mean, just to watch these people dance. We're Seven Birds,
One Stone.
and we do this for you.
Until next time, bye.
Bye.
guys.